Hey, it's Kilby here. Hope all's well with the Property Hacks team. Yeah. So I wanted to jump on. I saw this article. I'll bring it up right now about downtown Jersey City. So I'll share my screen. So here we go. Jersey City highlighting the waterfront neighborhood. Jersey City boasts beautiful skyline views, diverse neighborhoods, top-notch food. 40% of Jersey City residents are foreign-born. It's a very diverse town. I actually moved down to Jersey City right after I graduated college in '87 in the Hamilton Park area, and then I moved down to the Newport area. Then I moved to Hoboken, Weehawken, and now I live up in Union City, but I spent a lot of time in Jersey City. So just in general, according to November housing data from Jersey Realtors, median sales price for townhouses and condos in Jersey City is $576,000. That's a 2% increase year to date. Now, if you go to, and then it talks about different parts about Jersey City, the transportation, the PATH train, the ferry, the food, the restaurants. I mentioned Roz's Pizza down there, right down by City Hall. That's the Exchange Place Pier. That's the Freedom Tower. So it kind of talks about Jersey City and what a place, good place Jersey City is to live. So I did a little thing on my MLS here, a little search. So basically I went between, let's say 400,000 and 900,000 for one beds. I found 59 listings. The high was 899.9. The low was 435. So that's an average of 706, which is a little downtown is a little more expensive than the rest of Jersey City. So that's why the numbers are skewed differently. So here you have starting at 435, a bunch of different condo options. They're all downtown, all close to PATH, all close to the, you can walk to the PATH or walk to the ferry. So it's a really interesting place to live. If you'd like to learn more about it, let's chat. Love to talk to you more about Jersey City. Actually, this is a shot of Hoboken. And while I'm at it, before I go, I'll just show you again the let's see. Yeah, this is very close up here. So that's, as you can tell, it's a Freedom Tower right behind. That's downtown Jersey City, right by Exchange Place in the Paul's Hook section. So if you'd like to learn more about condos, brownstones, or other opportunities to purchase in Jersey City, let me know. Once again, Kilby Browne. Hats off to you with the property hats. Let's talk, okay? All the best. Have a good day. Bye-bye.